How to fix your Telegram not sending verification code. If you are trying to log into your account, but the Telegram app is not sending you any verification code or any kind of OTP on your phone number, then this is how you can fix it. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. That would help us out a lot. So let's begin. So first thing you want to make sure is that you have a stable internet connection. If you don't have a good internet connection, sometimes Telegram might not be able to read the connection and the verification code is not sent to you. So first thing is to make sure that you have a good connection. But even if you have a good connection but you're not able to get the verification code, then what you can do is long press on the app, tap on its info icon to open the app info. From here, you make sure that all of these permissions are allowed, so you can give access to all of these permissions, because sometimes the app does not have the required permissions to operate. So once you do that, the app will function normally. Then what you want to do is go to storage. From here, you can clear cache and then clear all of its data. So this will clear all of the app data on Telegram, and what that will do is clear all of its junk files, so you will be able to use the app normally again. But if that doesn't work, the final thing that you can do is uninstall the app and then reinstall it. And that should fix your problem. I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.